Alright, so just doing a little test here because it's early Thursday morning, and I don't know how this camera works yet. You can see the storefront is dark. Look at Scully, all lonely back there. Scully, see you, Scully. I'm just getting ready to head out to ISS Long Beach, and I figured I would just do a quick test. We got some new cameras and stuff because I realized that, you know, my cameras, I've been using the same cameras forever and they were kind of crappy. So we have no idea how this is working right now. So if this footage sucks, that's oh well, oh well. Alright, so yeah, I actually got a big room this year. It was like $7 more than the room I had last year. So this room's huge. And for my aching back, I've got this here. Alright, so here we are, ISS 2018, and Catspit has infiltrated the Ranar booth as usual, of course. I don't know how the focus is doing on this yet. I'll try to move slowly. And I have no idea how the audio is doing either, because we're testing out a new mic. So if everything is horrible, I apologize. Alright, so the booth we have here at Ranar is pretty big this year. Pretty cool. We've got flash cures, of course. There's a flash, infrared. Got the kind of washout booth. We've got a Vista 6.6 over here. Okay, right here is a little scamp. This is actually a tabletop dryer, but right now we have it on the stand for the show. And then, of course, we've got a Vista 4.1 because that's our upgradable series, so we're showcasing that. And then down here, we also have the Elite 6.6. So Catspit asked Ranar to bring out all these presses this year to showcase the Elite against the upgradable Vista. Okay, so pretty cool. And let's see, so here's the LED exposure. This is just the digital one. Alright, and PureStar 4000. Alright, so that's it. It's the beginning of the show. It's Friday, and it looks like it's really busy. So that's about it. Look at my little glossies I have this year. Here, look. So I printed some glossies for people to take. And that's it. Catspit Productions at the Ranar booth, ISS Long Beach 2018. Alright, so it's Monday morning, and I'm getting ready to head over to Ranar, the factory, and pick up some more stuff. So I'm bringing back this 4-color one-station Vista that we had at the show, and we'll do some videos on that, and hopefully Ranar will send me the upgrade later, you know, and then we'll do a video about installing the upgrade on here, which would be, you know, removing that whole thing and putting on the rotary and blah 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 blah. So let's go over to Ranar and see what they have for us today. Alright, so here we are, El Segundo, California. It's after the show. It's Monday. We're at the Ranar factory, so we're just coming in, checking things out. So we're gonna go in and see what's going on today. Alright, so let's check it out. We're going into the back of Ranar here. Here's some of the guys. There's Hector and Peter from Ranar. They're always happy to help you out when Jonathan isn't around, of course, and we'll go see what's going on in the back. Alright, so here we are. We're coming in the back to check it out. So here's some of the guys who helped put together your equipment at Ranar. Okay, dryer. Looks like a PureStar 6000 top. So it's getting ready to go out. Here's an Elite. Getting ready to go out, you know. And, yeah. They're all Catspit orders, right? Of course they are! Look at this. He's working on a scamp over here, it looks like. So he's getting ready to put together the deck with the motor and whatnot. So he's doing his job here all day long, crafting your equipment. Alright, so here's a, I'm not sure which one this is. This is a forced air dryer. Okay, there's another forced air, turbojet star. That's the top. So the deck has to be put together. And this one, another big one. Ranar makes a lot of dryers, and they're actually very well known for their dryers. So they're very economical, efficient, electrically, cost effective. I mean, if you're in the market for a dryer, definitely give me a call, because, you know, Ranar makes some super awesome dryers. Looks like we're getting ready to send some parts out for powder coating and stuff like that. So check it out. We get all the parts ready, and then they get sent out to be powder coated. Alright, so here, hopefully you can hear me with all the racket here, but here's a couple of presses that are, you know, sometimes they get local pickup. So there'll be a couple presses out here on pallets waiting for people to come actually pick them up themselves. So I can do that for you as well. If you're in California and you'd like to do will call, for some reason we can do that. But since I offer free shipping, you can also have it come to your door, you know, no extra charge. So it's cool. Oh, look at that! Sexy! So, this is where I'm staying. This is Redondo Beach. You know, I usually stay over here at this little hotel because it has a good standard, it's very clean, and comparatively speaking, you know, it's much better than the Long Beach area. You know, it's still crowded and stuff, but you know, much better as far as, you know, it's more mellow. So, a lot of you may know my father was in the screen printing industry for a long time before I was, and he was the guy who brought me here first. And I keep coming here. And I think, maybe it's a little bit piece of my father to me now. Alright. Here's some food porn for you, as they say, right? On the internet. And I guess it's true. Cats do like fish.